Hey, Frank Aaron, privacy consultant and blackmail expert. I want to talk about the whole AI and deep fake blackmail that's going around the media. Just to let you know, it's a bunch of BS. Okay, I mean, blackmailers don't need to create fake content to blackmail people because people are just willing to give their compromising photos and videos to people online because they want to play and have some fun. So this whole deep fake and AI blackmail thing, it's just ridiculous. I mean, if anything, people who are targeted by deep fakes are typically, wealthy people, wealthy business people, from my experience, divorced, wealthy women, where they're not going to give compromising content. But the truth of the matter is, it's not so much the content that's a threat, but more so the rumor itself. Okay, so, I mean, you don't have to be worried that you're out there, having fun or doing what you're doing and somebody's gonna, create these photos of you or videos in compromising positions, because it just really doesn't happen. Just be concerned or be aware that you don't share compromising photos, because that's how blackmailers snag people. They get you on Facebook, Instagram, Ashley Madison, LinkedIn, wherever. They create that relationship. Next thing you know, you're feeling good, you're trusting them, and boom, you make the mistake of sending the wrong photo. So don't believe the media hype about AI blackmail or deepfake blackmails, because it's not an issue and nobody is going to hit you up with it. So if you have any questions, my name is Frank Aaron, a privacy expert, and feel free to contact me.